Hi, good morning. Today we are going to see about the combinational circuits. In that, we are going to see about a multiplexer. What is demultiplexer and multiplexer? Demultiplexer is a combination circuits that perform the reverse operation of a multiplexer. It has single input and n select lines and maximum of 2 power n output. One of this data input will be connected to the output based on the value of selection lines. Here we are having a single input and two select lines. We are having 2 power n output lines. This is an example of 1 cross 4 demultiplexer. Has a one input, two select lines and two select lines, that means S1 and S0, and four outputs Y0, Y3, Y1, Y2, Y3. And single input I will be connected to the output of one of the four output Y3 to Y0 based on the value of select lines S1 and S0. The two table of 1 cross 4 demultiplexer is S0 S1. We are having a four possible combination 0001 1011, and we are having a output of Y0, Y1, Y2 and Y3. For 00 we are getting output of y0, and for 01 we are getting output of y1. For 10 we are getting output as y2, and we are getting 11 we are getting output as y3. We can implement those boolean function using inverters and three input AND gates. The circuit diagram of a 1 cross 4 demultiplexer is shown. In that, we are having two select lines and a single input line. Based on that select line, we are getting in four outputs, y0 to y3. This is an example of 1 cross 8 demultiplexer. It has a single input, three select lines and eight output lines. It has single out input lines, and for a 1 cross 8 demultiplexer, we have three select lines. For multiplexer also we have three select lines, and demultiplexer also we are having a three select lines. But in multiplexer we are having a 8 input lines, but in demultiplexer we are having a single input line and 8 output lines. This is a truth table for 1 cross 8 demultiplexer. It has one input, 3 select lines S0, S1 and S2, on outputs Y0 to Y7. The truth table of Y0 8 1 cross 8 demultiplexer is that we are having 3 select lines and 8 output lines. Applications. Demultiplexers is used to connect a single source to multiple destinations. The main application area of demultiplexer is communication system, where multiplexers are used. Here the single source of data is transmitted to the demultiplexer. It will based on the selector lines, it will transmit the data to the particular component or particular equipments. For mux, in mux we are giving a single multiple inputs like signal 1, signal 2, signal 3, but in transmission channel we are transmitting it is as single medium. So we can select the we can select by using select lines. We can select which signal to be transmitted in the channel. In demultiplexer, these signals can be viewed in a signal can be used in the receiver side. We can receive the signal. Based on the signal we can split those signal into signal 1, 2 and 3. This is at the receiver end. We are having a major applications. Multiplexers used in several input and output. This is mainly used in routing, data routing. Used in a digital control system to select the mutual stream of signals, and it can employed for a data transmission mediums, where in receiver side we are having a multiple inputs. Based on the select lines, we can transmit the single signal to the transmitting medium. From the transmitting medium, we are connecting it to the DMUX at the receiver end. The single transmission medium will transmit the signal to a signal into multiple signal by using a demultiplexer. Here, The main multiplexer, demultiplexer, main in real-time applications, we are using it in cable TV connections. There we are receiving a signal in a single mode wire, but on the but we are using a demultiplexer so that we can by using a select lines means we can select the channel which one we want to view. Based on that, based on the select line value, we can give the input. We can select which signal to we have to view in the TV. So this is mainly used in our cable TV connections and communication systems also. Based on the transporting, we are receiver at the receiver end. We can use this signal. Thank you.